Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making another delicious one. You call it scrambled eggs, I call it egg sauce. It's basically common among the people of Ghana, Togo, Benin Republic, Liberia and some parts of Sierra Leone. Sit back, relax while I take you on this smooth ride. I'm gonna start first by peeling my yams. Feel free to use potatoes, bread, rice, whatever rocks your boat. Crack my eggs. And you beat the eggs to allow in air. My first ingredient for the day will be my cooking oil, diced onions, garlic. Go ahead and toss that around for a few minutes until the onions is translucent. Next, I add my thyme and curry powder, bouillon seasoning, salt, and chopped Scotch bonnet. I will stir that around, give it a minute or two. Then I'll add my diced tomatoes. Stir that around, let it cook until it's tender. That should take about 5 minutes. Turn your heat down to low, and I'll add my final ingredient, the eggs. Gently stir that around while on low heat. Leave for a couple minutes to cook and incorporate with every other ingredient. It's been simmering for about 5 minutes now. I'm gonna add my cilantro garnish. Give it one last stir. And my egg sauce is ready. If you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.